Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my 1-minute microwave cookie. Take your butter, melt it, add your brown sugar and then mix it. We don't need to use egg in this recipe because it's microwave, so we will use milk instead. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now, it's time to add the rest of the dry ingredients. Mix all the ingredients together and then add the chocolate chips. If you don't have any chocolate chips, you can use any chocolate as you want. Shape it into a ball and then form it into a cookie. And now we are ready to microwave. Put the cookie in the microwave and cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute, take out your cookie. Let it cool for 5 minutes because it's super hot. If you like cookies, you're gonna love this. You can have it with your ice cream or you can have it with your coffee. So delicious.